Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. It means the world to me and I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm opening the September recipe box from Simply Earth. If you are not familiar with Simply Earth, it's quickly become like maybe my favorite essential oil company. They have a monthly box which you can order. It's $39 a month. You get 4 oils and recipes and a class and like so many support things. But they also just have where you can go on and buy like single oils and kits, and I just unboxed this little kit right here. It's a little box of 6 oils. It's their popular blends, but they have a bunch of different things. You don't have to subscribe, but in my opinion it's the best because you try new things. They're seasonal, so things that you'll use that month, and I just love it. And I share every month the box and I open it with you. Today I'm doing something a little bit differently because I already did some of the recipes. I wanted to do them so that I can show you the finished product instead of just showing you the recipe, and that is like what you get to make this month. So I hope that helps in a different way, and I hope you guys are excited. Let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at this month's box. So you get 4 oils in the side here, and then recipe cards and everything you need, almost everything you need to make the recipes in this side. So I will take out the oils and show you and then share the recipes. So the first oil is coffee, which I've never even heard of and I'm really excited about. It smells very good. This is coffee essential oil. It says it's from the seeds and it is from India. And then the aroma is brewed coffee, and it does smell just like a very strong coffee, or kind of like instant coffee if you've ever tried that. But it's used in a couple of like a candle recipe, and it's very good. Next oil is cinnamon leaf. This is a powerful essential oil in fighting germs and things like that, but this one says it's from the leaf and it's a warm and spicy aroma. This is a main component in Thieves if you're a Young Living, but this smells just so good. It's very like an earthy cinnamon, being from the leaf, but it does smell good. It reminds me of fall. The next one is Sweet Dreams, and this one has a little kids safe logo or print there, so that means that it is safe for kids and dilute to their age too. But this says the blend is designed to calm and ready your child for bedtime, and it's a blend of sorry, I can't read that far away. Marjoram, lavender, cedarwood, Himalayan, German chamomile, and frankincense. I love that this is in the box because like I said, these recipes are seasonal and things you're going to use this month. And we need our kids to go to bed, right, for school and to just get ready for all of that. So we need to sleep well. This smells very good. It is very, it's different than I would say any sleep blend that I have used before, and maybe because of the marjoram, I don't know, I haven't ever smelled marjoram before. It is so good though. It is like lightly sweet, but also just calming, and you get the lavender. It's really good. It's really different, and I love that. The next one is Blood Orange. So you get 3 singles and 1 blend each month. I don't know if I already said that, but the Sweet Dreams was the blend, and then you also get Blood Orange, which is a single. I have a couple of different blood oranges. It's just very sweet, a little bit different than regular orange. This is from the peel. All citrus oils are cold pressed from the peel. It's very bright, a little more zingy, like a little more citrusy. I like it better than regular orange, to be honest. It's very good, very fresh. Okay, so the next thing, I'll just pull out the recipes and show you. So the first one is, there are 2 candle recipes actually, Sweet Dreams and ice cream. I made the ice cream one already, so it just shows you everything you need to use or to make the recipe. Whoops, it continues on the back. It was really easy to make this. Oh, where'd it go? I had these left over from our wedding actually, these little votives, and so I just used that to make it, but this is the candle. So it came with these wicks, which are longer. You can trim them to how you need them. Here's the other one. And then you melt beeswax and a couple other things, let it cool a little bit, mix your essential oils in, and pour it. And here it is. It was really easy. It smells so good. It's cinnamon and coffee, which that was the ice cream candle. But the Sweet Dreams floral candle has the Sweet Dreams essential oil blend. Oh, it sounds so good. And then let's see, you can also add pressed flowers or leaves. Oh, and I forgot. So they got fancy, and you can pour half of the candle, or the the ice cream one, into here, and then let the rest of it kind of cool, and then scoop with the ice cream scoop to kind of look like an ice cream. And I did not do that, but you can do that too. But I love that little fun added, like, not necessary but fun aspect of that one. Citrus wax sachet. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. You use this right here, a little mold, and you put your wax in there and your blood orange essential oil and pressed flowers or dried flowers, and then you make a little mold out of beeswax. So that one's cool. I haven't done it yet. So you put a little ribbon around this little top, and then you can hang your little sachet wherever. It does say they're breakable, so make sure you hang it somewhere where it's not going to get touched a lot or knocked into. But that was the citrus wax sachet. Am I saying that right? And then on the back of this one, it actually has the oils and different little tidbits about all of them. So if they're kid safe, pregnancy safe, cat safe, dog safe. So I thought that was cool. And then some extras. Okay, the next one is DIY fall scented pine cones. We're excited to go collect some pine cones once they start falling and do this. So you can buy the craft ones from the store. I just think it would be more fun to collect them. We have a ton of pine trees around our house, so we're going to do that, but you do have to bake them and dry them and all of that. So if you want to skip that extra step, just go to the craft store and buy some, and then you just drop your essential oils on them, and says keep them sealed for 24 hours, then remove and display in a pretty bowl with dried fruit or whatever else. So we love that. We do pine cones like that every year, especially under the Christmas tree with some cinnamon and orange essential oil on them. Okay, next is the Autumn Days Diffuser blend. So each month they give you a blend. So you can take a bottle of an empty bottle and kind of add like 20 drops of this oil, 20 drops of this, to kind of make your own blend or your own diffuser bomb. And I'm trying to find that. I don't see it. Oh, here it is. So and I forgot to share this too. They give you all the labels to make all of your stuff. So this is the Autumn Days Diffuser blend that I made. So this is 12 drops of coffee, 12 drops of cinnamon, 25 blood orange, and 50 drops of the Sweet Dreams. And it smells very good. A really good fall blend. It is sweet and spicy. It smells really good. The coffee oil I really do like. It's cool. It's like nothing I've ever added to a blend or anything before. Okay, and the last one is the Sweet Memories roll-on. Each month you get a recipe to make a roller. And rollers and extra coconut oil come in your big bonus box, which comes in your first month. So when you use code TOREYNOORAFREE, if you subscribe to this recipe box, you get a free big bonus. And it's huge, and it comes with coconut oil, bottles, rollers, all the things you need to make this. But anyways, here's the roller recipe. And then here is the roller, and it came with this label, and it was really easy to make. It's just the Sweet Dreams, blood orange, and coconut oil. It smells really good, and it's very calming, and just rollers are good to have on hand, especially like in the car or next to your nightstand. Okay, so the box also came with the soy wax, which you need to make a bunch of those, 3 of those recipes. And I can't remember if this came in this box or last month or a month previous, but this is beeswax too that I used in a lot of the recipes. Okay, that was September, Simply Earth, the recipe box. If you are interested at all, highly recommend you check out their subscription, because when you use my code TOREYNOORAFREE, you get $40 back. So it's basically like paying for your first box. But you get it to use towards your next box or more product or whatever you want. And then you also get the big bonus box. And it is so worth it. It's fun. The girls like to do the stuff with me too. We actually just made a couple of recipes from a previous box, so I wanted to show to you guys. I think this was either last month or 2 months ago, but this is a fizzy like bath scoop. And you just drop one of those in the bathtub, and you can, and it like fizzes and has essential oils obviously for aroma, but also for skin support. And then the toilet cleaning bombs, which again, I'm not exactly sure what month this was from, but I just got around to making them. I accidentally activated the baking soda in this recipe. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to gradually add the liquid. So They're not perfect, but I do love having these on hand, and I'll remake them and like make them the right way next time. All the recipes are really simple, and you have all the support. Like you get the emails and the course, like I said, and they're really cool people. So you should check them out if you haven't already. Let me know if you have any questions on the month. They do sell out, and they predicted this one, I think, to sell out around the 23rd or something, so make sure you jump on it. Oh, one more thing. They donate 13% to help end human trafficking. That is amazing, and you can read all about that on their website. And, oh, the last thing, the value of the box. So it's $39 each month. The value is almost always over $100 and sometimes close to $200. This one was like $115, I think, for the value. So the value is always way more than you're paying, and subscription boxes are so good. Anyways, that is my spiel. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. The link to shop will be in the description. I hope you have a great day. Bye.